Next up, looking at a bar chart. Okay, we're looking at categorical or quantitative data, which is numbers basically, and it's good for comparing values. So a pie chart compares percentages of a whole. If I just want to compare values, like how many pieces of pie did each person in my house eat on Thanksgiving? So, you know, Robbie ate 5 and Gabby ate 3 and I ate 2 and Kai ate 1. Like I could make a chart that showed the relative differences in those. It's really good for showing differences between categories. So a bar chart, since this data frame isn't great for a bar chart, let's create a new data frame here. And this data frame is pretty basic, but we looked at it or something similar to it last time. It's got data in the name, age, and city columns. Okay, and you can see there's a little bit of repetition in the city that'll allow us to do some different things. So if I print that data frame out, okay, so it looks like that. It assigns a ID number or an index over there on the left-hand side. Then we have the name and the age and the city for each person. Let's turn that into a bar chart. And again, we're going to use that data frame that we just created. We'll use px.bar, the data frame, the x variable. So we're going to use the age is going to be on bars going this way. The y is going to be the name, so each person's going to have their own bar. And we're going to use name to come up with the color. Now let's take a look at it without the color argument on there, just so you can see what it looks like as vanilla as possible. Okay, so this is my bar chart. You can see it's got the names of each person over here and their relative ages. So that looks okay, but much better with the color added. And again, this is all done automatically for me. And again, I can turn off. Let's say I wanted to get a screenshot of this data, but Joe is screwing everything up because he's so old. I can turn off Joe. I could turn off Alice or Susan. And then I can take a screenshot of that data. Okay, I can also interact with it by rolling over it. Or I can zoom in, just like on the other ones. And that is a bar chart. Okay,